What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna look at how you can add a new banner to your YouTube channel. It is very simple. You simply go to youtube.com to find your YouTube channels, and in the top right you click on your profile picture and then view your channel to access your YouTube channel, and it will take you there to your YouTube channel. And then if you want to change the banner of your YouTube channel at the top, you can simply click edit right here, or you can go to your YouTube channel dashboard through customize channel. And if you click on customize channel customization will take you right here under your dashboard in your YouTube channel, and you can change your banner image right here. Simply click change, select the new image that you want to use as a banner for your YouTube channel, and click open, and then it will automatically load up and replace the banner image on your YouTube channel. Keep in mind, there are some requirements for a banner image for a YouTube channel. Your image has to have the right dimension, 2048 pixels by 1152 pixel maximum. And it should be also 6 megabytes or less. You can see it right here, the requirement for a banner image for your new YouTube channel. And then once it is uploaded, you will simply go back to your channel, refresh the page, and then you will see your new banner image right here at the top. Keep in mind, the banner image is different on the TV screen, on a computer screen, and on a mobile phone. Basically, on a mobile phone, only the middle part will be readable. Right here, you can see how I separated my YouTube channel with words. In the middle part, it's only visible on mobile phone. On a computer, you will see basically left and right, a little bit more of the image. And in a TV screen, you will see a much bigger image at the top and at the bottom as well. So keep that in mind once you create a banner image for your YouTube channel. You want the most important information that people will see on our mobile phone to be in the middle, right here. So that everybody, whether they are on the PC, on a computer, or on a mobile phone, they can see what you want them to see on your banner image. It can be a photo of yourself, it can be your name, it can be what your channel is about, etc. It can be also your handle for social media or for your YouTube channel. You can put anything that you want right here in the middle part so that everybody can see what your channel is about and then subscribe to your YouTube channel if they like it. I hope you enjoyed this video with me today, guys. I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching. Click right here to see more tips about YouTube, and I will see you there in this new video. Bye bye.